Most of my 30-year corporate career was in finance and banking. As a VP of lending at a credit union, it was my job to oversee all the lending functions. So that would be policy making, program making, setting interest rates, and being aware of what was going on in the basic financial industry. I was also a coach for a premier international training organization. My forte was money, finance, and real estate. At least 90% of my clients wanted coaching on money and career. Some wanted to learn how to make more money, and others wanted to learn how to invest their money to make more money. There are two sides to money. The practical side of money, which is learning how to invest it, what interest rates, dividends, capitalization rates are. And then there's the spiritual side of money. I love the spiritual side of money because this is where most people don't get their training or education. A lot of people have learned throughout mentors or family how to practically invest money, how to budget and save, but most people don't know that there even is a spiritual side to money. The money thermostat is a spiritual side to money. So what is a money thermostat? Much like a temperature thermostat that tries to keep the temperature in the room consistent, a money thermostat operates very similarly. It keeps your money at a consistent, comfortable level. If you're comfortable making $100,000 a year, you'll stay there. You will work and increase your income to get to that $100,000 level. But if you now make $150,000, you will somehow fritter away the $50,000 by buying luxury items or making poor investments until you're back at your comfortable $100,000 a year. We all heard the stories of lottery winners who win millions of dollars and within a few short years end up at the same level they were or even worse off. And that is the money thermostat in action. Your money thermostat is the spiritual or energetic side to money. It is what you believe money is, whether it's good or bad. And it also includes what you think about money for yourself. Whether you feel you're worthy of money, whether you have to work hard for it, whether you deserve it, that all sets your money thermostat. I'm also a certified herbalist. And when I was practicing as a clinical herbalist, I noticed that there were a lot of herbalists and healers, massage therapists that were having challenges with money. Even though they were miraculously healing aches and pains of their clients, they were having struggles with money. Some even had to quit doing their life's work of healing because they weren't making enough money. Many of them had limiting beliefs, as if they may be too spiritual for money, that they are not worthy of money, or that they are afraid to charge for their services. And this was part of the limiting belief to increase their money thermostats. Usually, by removing a subconscious block to money, you can increase your money thermostat. There's a saying among people we know and investors that you always lose your first million, but then you keep your second. And I think that's a great example of the money thermostat. When you hit that $1 million threshold, you become an accredited investor and you start perhaps making investments that you aren't familiar with. You start buying luxury items that you feel you now deserve, and somehow the money goes away. But your second million, you're smarter and wiser, and you've increased your money thermostat to include that $1 million, so you keep it. By upping your money thermostat, you can keep your first and second million. If you would like to see more videos on spiritual money or have any questions for me, please put a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Mahalo!